Good morning, Wildcats. Today's Tuesday, January 11th, 2022. Today, we're giving you all the latest school news you need to know. But first, a Wildcat Recap.
Now here are your club and activity announcements. Attention all students in 7th to 12th grade. The Student Equity Council will meet in person in C41 at 2:15 on Wednesday. All 7th through 12th graders are welcome.
Attention seniors, there are valuable scholarship opportunities. Check your email for a message from Miss Kelly. The form for all scholarships awarded through the school. You must complete the form by March 3rd in order to be eligible. Please see Miss Kelly in the guidance office with any questions.
For those of you who haven't had lunch yet, let's cut to Jason to see what's on today's menu.
Today for lunch, we have grilled cheese and Big Daddy pizza. Back to you guys in the studio.
Thanks, Jason.
Bonjour. The French Club meetings will be held on January 27th, February 10th, February 24th, March 10th, March 24th. All the meetings will take place in room C31. Be sure to save the date so you too can escargot.
It is imperative to remember to wear your mask correctly, now more than ever. We all have to contribute in staying safe to prevent further outbreaks.
We'll continue with your morning news after this commercial break.
Junior High Art Club meets every first and third Thursday of the month and gives you the opportunity to create an enjoyable atmosphere. Feel free to come in and bring some of your own work or enrich your life with art.
What's happening with our Wildcat Sports teams today? Here's Jason with your Wildcat Sports.
Boys varsity basketball has an away game against Pennsauken Tech, and girls basketball has a home game at Maple Shade High School.
Thanks, Jason.
Well, that's all the news we have for you today. From all of us in the TV studio, thanks for watching and have a good Tuesday.